Hi, in this tutorial we are going to solve a question related to calculation of formal charges. This is a question from your textbook and it is asking calculate formal charges for the non-hydrogen atoms in the following molecules. If we answer the first option, it should be enough to cover a variety of situations for calculating formal charges. For this molecule, diazomethane, let's draw line bond structure here in detail. We have a carbon, it is bonded to a nitrogen, that nitrogen is bonded to another nitrogen. We have double bonds in between nitrogen and nitrogen and carbon and nitrogen. Carbon has two connected hydrogens, and let's not forget the lone pairs for this nitrogen. You know that if you want to calculate formal charges, let's write a general formula for that. Formal charge is equals to number of valence electrons minus number of bonding electrons divided by 2 minus number of lone pair electrons. If we use this formula, we can calculate formal charges of carbon, nitrogen and the second nitrogen. For carbon, number of valence in a free atom is equal to its group number in periodic table. Carbon is from 4A, so it has 4 valence electrons minus number of bonding electrons. we have to count how many bonds we have. We have 1, 2 single bonds and double bonds. In total we have 2, 4, 6, 8 bonding electrons around carbon. So 8 divided by 2 minus, for carbon we don't have any lone pair electrons, we are going to write it 0. So the answer for carbon is 0. Formal charge of carbon in this molecule is 0. How about this nitrogen? Let's write it here. Nitrogen number 1. Nitrogen, as you know, from 5A group in periodic table. So in a free atom, it should have 5 valence electrons. Minus in this molecule, this nitrogen has 2 double bonds. It means that we have 2, 4, 6, 8 bonding electrons. We have to divide by 2 minus, again this nitrogen doesn't have any lone pair, so we have to say 0. The result for this nitrogen is plus 1. For the second nitrogen atom, we have to use the same formula. 5A, it means 5 valence electrons minus, this nitrogen has 2, 4. It has a double bond and it has 4 bonding electrons divided by 2 minus, here this nitrogen has 2 lone pairs, so in total it has 4 electrons, and the result for this nitrogen, 5 minus 2 minus 4, it's minus 1. Thanks so much.